How to transfer USDT from Bitget to Binance. First, what we are going to be doing here is head over to Binance. Since we are going to be receiving onto Binance, head over to portfolio, click on add funds, then you are going to be clicking on deposit crypto at the third place, then you're going to be selecting USDT at the third place. Then at the first place, as you can see, we have Tron TRC20, we are going to be selecting that, and at the second place we have deposit address. We need to be clicking on copy. Once you copy this, we are going to be heading over to Bitget account, so make sure that you have that in line. Click on skip, head over to assets. Here you should have an option of withdraw like you have on Bybit or other exchanges. Once you click on withdraw, enter the address that we just copied, this particular one, at the second place. Once you paste that on your Bitget account, you should have an option of send, and once you send that, you're going to be having the process completed. So that's how you can transfer USDT from Bitget to Binance.